Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by stabilizing the unit and exposing the latches. You lock the brakes and fold back the canopy so you can see both sides of the seat. Next, detach any removable fabric inserts or trays. This prevents snagging. Once those are clear, position yourself at the hinge and find the red release levers. Press and hold them simultaneously. Keep downward pressure on the seat while you squeeze to prevent sudden drops and to align the connectors for the next step. Once the levers are depressed, shift to freeing the connectors. You lift the seat a little, just enough to remove tension, and push the connector housings forward about 1/2 inch. This movement disengages the locking pawls from the rails. Make sure you use both hands. One supports the seat and the other guides the connector. If the connectors feel stuck, wiggle gently while maintaining pressure on the releases. This avoids bending pins and makes removal smooth and controlled. After the connectors clear, lift the seat straight up and away, do not twist. You want to keep the motion vertical to avoid shearing clips. Once free, inspect the rails and latches for grit, fabric caught, or bent metal. Cleaning these parts prevents repeat jams. If removal still fails, apply a small amount of silicone lubricant to pivot points and try again, or use a thin pick to clear debris. If components are bent, replace them before reinstalling to ensure safety.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.